Sometimes a tree diagram is not required or is not the best method to use. Two cards are drawn at random from a deck of cards. The first card is drawn, recorded and replaced back into the deck. The second card is then drawn. It's very important to note that the card is replaced. What is the probability that the two cards are both red, a king and then a club, a king and a club in any order? So let's start with both red. This means that the first card is red, and 26 cards are red in the full pack of 52, so 26 outcomes out of 52. And the second card is red, which is also 26 outcomes out of 52. So this means red and red. And we know that and means multiplying probability. So it's going to be the probability of getting a red card multiplied by the probability of getting a red card. So it's going to be 26 over 52 multiplied by 26 over 52. Top by top, bottom by bottom. And we end up with a quarter. So the probability that both cards are red is 1 over 4, or a quarter. What is the probability that the two cards are a king and then a club? This means that the first card is a king. There are 4 kings in a pack, so 4 outcomes out of 52. And the second card is a club. There are 13 clubs in a pack, so 13 outcomes out of 52. So again, and is the key word here, and means multiply. So we need the probability of getting a king and multiplied by the probability of getting a club. The probability of getting a king is 4 over 52 multiplied by the probability of getting a club, which is 13 over 52. And 4 over 52 multiplied by 13 over 52 simplifies to 1 over 52. So the probability of getting a king and then a club is 1 over 52. So part 3, what's the probability of getting a king and a club in any order? So this means that the cards drawn could have been a king followed by a club, or a club followed by a king. So or is the key word here, and or means add in probability. So we're looking for the probability of a king and a club, or a club and a king. So remember, and means multiply, and or means add. So there are 4 kings over a total of 52. There are 13 clubs over a total of 52. So it's going to be 4 over 52 multiplied by 13 over 52 plus 13 over 52 multiplied by 4 over 52. 4 over 52 multiplied by 13 over 52 is 1 over 52. And 13 over 52 times 4 over 52 again is 1 over 52. And 1 over 52 plus 1 over 52 is 2 over 52, which simplifies to 1 over 26. So the probability of getting a king and a club in any order is 1 over 26.